name is Zunaira.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Farid.
Today our presentation topic time.
We will learn about digital clock.
This is digital clock.
A digital clock shows time using numbers,
not hands.
In digital clock, the time is 10 o'clock. In digital clock, the time is half past 10. Assalamualaikum, my name is Sana. Assalamualaikum, my name is Maha. We are from grade 1 JC. Today our presentation topic is time. We will learn about analog clock. This is analog clock.